Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Canva for Teams account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type canva.com and press enter. On the Canva homepage, look for the login button at the top right. Click login to open the sign-in options. Choose continue with email if your team account uses an email and password. Type the email address that is connected to your Canva for Teams membership. Click Continue to move to the password field. Enter your Canva password carefully, checking for typos. Click Login to access your account. If your team uses Google Sign-In, click Continue with Google instead. Select the correct Google account that your team uses for Canva. Approve any permission prompts if they appear on your screen. If your team uses Microsoft Sign-In, click Continue with Microsoft instead. Enter your Microsoft work or school email used for the team. Complete any verification steps your organization requires. If your team uses SSO, click Continue another way and choose Single Sign-On. Type your company domain or SSO email as requested. Follow your organization's login page instructions to finish authentication. After logging in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click the profile icon to open the account and team menu. Find your team name in the list of available workspaces. Click your team name to switch into the Canva for Teams workspace. Confirm you are in the right place by checking the team name on the home screen. If you do not see the team, click Join a Team and check for an invitation email. Open the invitation email from Canva and click Accept Invitation. Return to Canva and refresh the page if the team does not appear immediately. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login screen and reset it. Once inside, you can start creating designs with your team's shared assets and brand tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.